Wow, that's some sun. It's not a very big deck either, so you know what would be perfect here? If I could put a Rail-EZ on here. I think maybe that's what I'm gonna do. Everybody on this darn balcony is going to want one. So, you know what? No, it doesn't need to go completely over me to shade me from the sun. It just needs to block the sun off, which is exactly what it's doing. It's doing its job. And then we've got some nice shade so we can relax. Yeah, that sucker's not going anywhere. So this is what we mean by putting it in the extended position, which means that you're gonna put the umbrella pole all the way down to the base. But this does just an amazing job. And this is not a small umbrella. It's a pretty big umbrella.
9.5 feet.
9.5 feet? There you go. So a D-shaped railing, 9.5 feet, and it goes all the way to the ground. We're using it in the extended position. We're actually in Salmon Arm, British Columbia right now, and what's out there is the Shuswap Lake, and this is a nature preserve, a bird preserve that it's just gorgeous out here. So if you ever get a chance, we're at the Prestige Hotel in Salmon Arm, BC, and we'll hopefully have some more interesting travels where we'll be taking our Rail-EZ on the road, because it's real easy to make shade.